Madam President. The individual who would like to in-hand, his name is Max Henderson, and he handed me a letter that he wanted me to read on behalf of him. He says, he's of age 44, living in Hyde Park, where he has been living for the past 8 years. He's currently a manager at Road to Responsibility, a group home setting where he takes care of residents with disabilities. He's working there for the past 5 years, and he's been a realtor before that. He moved to the United States in 2010 from Haiti. It was a tough immigration process for him, but luckily he was able to gain entry and now has become a U.S. citizen. And now he's eligible to apply to become a Boston police officer. He became a U.S. citizen in 2019, but due to some difficulties in his personal life, he was not confident that he was able to make it through the training process at the time. Now he's in a better state, physically, mentally, and in excellent health to become a police officer to protect and serve his community. He took the written exam on Monday, March 18th, and he strongly believes and he is confident that he will pass. But he was devastated when he heard that he had to be younger than 40 years old in order to become a Boston police officer. He's writing this letter to the City Council to ask for a favor, to have an age waiver that will allow me to be appointed to the Boston Police Department in the incoming class of June 2024. Thank you for your understanding and consideration, and asking the City Council to please help him become a police officer so that he can serve his community and the city he calls home now. For my colleagues, this is my third home rule petition that I've called for age waivers, which is why later in the agenda you will see that myself and Councilor Coletta and Councilor Santana are pushing for an increase in that age max, because there's a lot of individuals in this city that are healthy, they're well experienced, they're great citizens, that they just want to serve our community as a police officer, and that's why I'm asking for your support in this document. Thank you.
Thank you, Councilor Pepén. Councilor Pepén, am I the second co-sponsor? Is there a third co-sponsor? Is there?
There's no third co-sponsor.
Okay, sorry. Just to correct the record, just adding myself as original co-sponsor, and no need for suspension of the rules. Thank you, Councilor Pepén, for bringing this forward. Thank you for adding me as an original co-sponsor. We do bring a lot of these to the council. Max Henderson is more than capable and would love to see him be able to join the force, and I want to thank you for filing this and hope to be able to get this through and put this up to Beacon Hill. Is anyone else looking to speak on this matter? Would anyone else like to add their name? Mr. Clerk, please add Councilors Braden, Durkin, Fernandez Anderson, Fitzgerald, Flynn, Mejia, Murphy, Santana, Weber, Worrell. This docket will be referred to the